Oh, let me see what's in your hand first.
Oh, this is Jaeger. Here, I'll put that back.
Okay. Let's see.
Look on top of the fridge too.
Oh, yeah, Smirnoff on top.
This is, I'm going to name this Jack Daniels, Irish Cream, Jägermeister, Peach Schnapps, Seagram 7. This is mix, Jack Daniels, Tom Collins mix, Peach Schnapps, Jose Cuervo vodka, Tom Collins mix, rum, amaretto.
Door.
This is Smirnoff vodka, sour apple. This is orange. This is Parrot Bay, Captain Morgan. There's another bottle of Jaeger. And the fridge.
And wow.
Got natural
all
light.
natties on the front. Watch, that's my rock
Hey,
star.
don't forget the closet.
All filled, all filled.
John,
Don't forget
And
the blue
there's
mold.
balloons, Smirnoff,
Alright, come here.
and then hold on. There's a bag of something in here. I'm not sure. More.
That's full.
And that's full of stuff too.